Hi, my name is Tammy with Family of Purpose, and if you're like me, you like to walk around your house and give your home a makeover, a spa, just refreshing it. I love doing that. It draws energy for me. Some people aren't like that, but today I have 7 ways that anyone can give their home a little spa treatment makeover for very little money. Number 1, add greenery. If you have a green thumb, make it real greenery. If you don't, fake is fine and all the rage. Succulents are huge right now, fake or real. Add those, repot them, put them anywhere. All you have to do is dust them if they're fake. Philodendrons are great. They grow really well for me, and I love them, but be careful make sure that your pets are okay with them. Herbs in the kitchen. Add greenery by putting herbs in your kitchen, and then you can use them, and they won't die. Number 2, add white candles everywhere. White candles are clean and crisp, and they just add a flavor that you can keep up all year round for all seasons. But just a tip, I would make sure that they're unscented, because if you diffuse oils or have other things that smell, your white candles can just be beautiful, classic, unscented. Number 3, add a pop of color. The easiest way to do that is to throw some throw pillows on your bed, sofa, chair, or a blanket. Throw a blanket lazy over your sofa. That just makes it warm instantly. Also in your kitchen, get green apples or lemons and limes. Put them on the counter in a bowl and be sure to eat them. All of that just adds color for the different seasons of your life in your home. Number 4, pay extra attention to your front porch. I have a thing for front porches. That's why we're filming it on my front porch. Front porches are just the first impression to your family. They welcome people that come into your home. Front porches need special attention, whether that's just cleaning your front door, making sure there's no cobwebs, adding a welcome mat, some potted plants, a chair to sit with, something on your door, whatever it is, pay special attention to your front porch, because you'll be glad you did, and so will your guests. Number 5, this is weird, but I want you to walk around your house with your nose and just smell. Does your house smell like cinnamon, but it's July? Does your house smell like lavender? Does your house smell like onions? Make sure that you walk in your house unbiased and just smell your home. It may be time to change your scented oils, change your plug-ins for the season, or change however you want your house to smell, but every home has a smell, so just go into it with that. Number 6, wipe down your doorknobs and your light switches. This is a cleaning tip, yes, but it will give your home a spa that it's not used to having. Now, we do this when we become sick, but do it anyway in the spring, in the summer, whenever you want. It'll make you feel good inside knowing that your doorknobs and your light switches are clean. And the 7th one, I've said it over and over again, and that's to declutter your home. The best way to give your home an inexpensive spa is to walk through your home, pick things up that you don't use, that just collect dust, that don't fit you anymore, or that are non-useful for your family. Give away, throw away, or donate. I promise you won't regret this. If you do these 7 inexpensive things however often you want, you will not want to leave your home. In fact, you'll want to sit on your front porch with a glass of iced tea and just enjoy your newly spa'd home in a very inexpensive budget. Our home is a place that should be for our families and should just be well loved, and this is a great way to do that. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share this video, give us more tips on how you give your home a spa. Until next time, be intentional with your home and love it well.